Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going on the road again. I wanna know where we are going now, but me I can't because I saw me steer.
Come on. Stay into the Ross yard on the like road tomorrow.
So guys, now we're on our way to the Western Union because money is the motive, right? We just
January.
we're up on the road now. And girl, I look taxi, I look taxi.
Me a combo? And me a really combo?
We are look taxi because we're going to walk our next destination. You know what I think? Never other than taxi, my friend. Know that. We get taxi. Oh, we are going to have party. Day party. We are going to party.
How much you go down there, sir?
We're buying food. I eat it. Tell them, yeah.
Okay. You not come? I'm too.
Where you buy?
You not come?
I'll have jerk pork, rice and peas,
not come now?
and raw veg.
Where you buy, Tom?
I would need cargo, but none is not here, so I'm gonna take the fish.
Hey!
Red flag. What you gonna have today?
I'm going to have fried chicken, rice and peas with mixed vegetable. You know the usual?
Okay.
January.
Come, Tom. How much for the food?
If I thought we look or what?
Me is a hot girl, never a flap girl. Hot girl cleaning.
What you say?
Them charge with $2,000.
You can't have
I
love.
don't know if I do it, I will look or what, but them say $2,000 for the food. One little fish.
Come now, your turn. Miss Mom. She takes steam fish. Fair, look nice too. Sana?
Same 2,000.
What the?
He done. He done. He done.
What a sight.
Go on here, Tom. Tag here, Tom.
Yeah, eat my $2,000 food.
Tell them, they don't know.
If I told we look or what, they do
Look for 2 grand rice. Look for 2 grand fish.
You must be mad!
He's out. Look for 2 grand steam fish. Make a show you my chicken.
Anyway.
So guys, I took the chicken as I said, and it was for 1,500.
So bored, you know. Anyone want to take me for supper, lunch, or a dinner date?
It look nice to me if you were rich people style.
See like man thing at some look makeup story.
Stars among stars, so them see right. Them thing are down a town, straight American. Wow. Yes.
Whoa!
No down a town, no down a town. Whoa, whoa. Big rock.
I can't stop for all of them waiting on the cold man, the people in a long time, them not hear from me. Yeah, but my sister know I can't stop for them.
Hi guys, we're in the supermarket. We're getting something to eat and something to cook because we're going to the party later. So stay tuned. Yeah, go in there, do I? Say hi, Kayla. Michaela.
Shame kill me again. How much time we gonna shame, sir? Every minute, shame me, clean it. Ah!
You might run for the camera.
You don't know what I'm going there. Hi guys.
I'll be hiding.
Welcome to my friend's channel. Wait, what you know?
Mommy, what's you cooking?
Coconut chicken and white rice.
Okay.
Ersha.
Mommy, what's you cooking?
Ersha. Ersha. Say hi to the vlog.
Yes, we're going to eat cupcake because we are sweet. Yeah. So sweet and sweetness give diabetes. And my sister with the bun and all of that. Kayla, say hi. Me I put you in there. Say hi.
She ever kill me again. How much time we gonna shame, sir?
Oh, we have shopping done? $10 grand. Where receipt there? Show them a receipt.
This one bag.
Me no bet nothing trouble me. Cause me rich. I feel if me poor now. Yeah, it's that trouble me, but me rich.
You're not even sure, Tom.
He don't. He don't.